removing the dirt that we piled under the carport. Of course, we got the Harbor Freight trencher backhoe, and we made a trip to Harbor Freight yesterday, going to try something different. I thought about buying one of the electric wheelbarrows or power wheelbarrows, wheelbarrows. But I thought I'd give this a try first at was about 50-60 bucks at Harbor Freight. It is a cargo unloader. I've hauled several loads, pretty good. Well, for a pickup, I mean, I'm not overdoing it because you crank this out, and we'll show you how that works here in a few minutes. Yeah, that's what we're doing today. Harbor Freight track hose still going strong. Okay, we're at our unloading place. I'm dumping it all back in the edge of the woods here. I buried a stump here, and I'm just piling it up over this mess I created, and we'll show you how this thing works now. We got a decent amount of weight, but here we go. Taking small loads, well, I think small loads. I just don't want to get a bunch of dirt on there and not be able to crank it off. Another load or two today. I'm getting hot, so take a shower, get out, and go for a Jeep ride. see you do that with a shovel that fast. Well, we've got about half of it moved. The reason for moving all this is I have to order some rock to do my foundation for my block and order the blocks, so I figured it'd be the best to stack them in here. But a little water hose working from dump truck to back to pickup truck. No problems. I guess it'd be nice if I told you it's a 1 ton, 2,000 pound truck bed cargo unloader. Well worth I don't know, 59, 54 something dollars. But it's getting the job done. And I know, guys, this project, I got a free bucket too. This project would not take near as long if I just hired somebody to do it, but I'm just not like that. I like to do things. I like to see what I can accomplish, and usually sometimes I'll do something and it might not be the best in the world, but it turns out all right. Live, love, and let live, guys. We'll talk to you soon.